All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Malibu with an interesting problem. All right, so not going to be a whole lot of scan data or anything like that. This vehicle initially came in with multiple problems. When it came in, it was setting exhaust cam codes. It had hard brake pedal and was setting a APP sensor fault code. It was undrivable. One, it had no brakes. Two, the APP caused it to go into limp mode like that, and you could no longer rev the vehicle. APP sensor was replaced. That solved that problem. Another problem was the hard brake pedal. Well, the vacuum pump that bolts to the back of the cam turned out to be the problem for the exhaust cam codes as well. The vacuum pump had broken apart and caused massive damage. This is the camshaft from the exhaust side. Now, if you notice, it's all chewed up. Now, don't take the nub missing here. That got broke off when it got dropped. But if you notice, that cam, that sprocket has been pushed down a good 2 millimeters. There's our problem with the exhaust cam. And if you look, it got all chewed up on the front side as well. I'm guessing this is a common problem because this camshaft is on national back order. We were luckily able to get one from one dealership in Atlanta, but unfortunately that was the only one available. We have the issue of this cam not actually actuating the cam sensor because, well, it was out of position. I thought it was an interesting failure, so I figured I would show it to you and maybe you'd realize if something like this happens, it's gonna need a camshaft. The APP sensor did fix the locking it out of throttle, so that was good. This vehicle required a new camshaft. And as far as the original failure of what happened, all I know is the vacuum pump broke apart. There was chunks of it under the valve cover. So, interesting failure. I figured I'd bring you along. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.